Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's kitchen remodel, we removed a wall that separates the kitchen and the living room to open up the space. We also were able to add a peninsula with seating. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Here are some photos of what the kitchen looked like before. This photo shows the wall and window we removed to accommodate the new layout. Everything from the kitchen has been removed. Tony will now begin working on removing the wall. Here is what the shell of the kitchen looks like from both perspectives after the wall has been removed. A few days later, and the drywall has been patched and repaired, and the walls have been painted. The underlayment for the tile floor has also been installed. The tile floor has been installed, and so have the cabinets. The floor is American Olean Theoretical Fundamental Gray, and the cabinets are Waypoint 650F Cherry Slate. The quartz countertops are Cambria Newport with double round edges and a 6-inch splash. Here is the completed kitchen. In removing the wall, we were able to open up the whole room. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.